Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dan and I hope you're having an awesome day. This is episode 6 of our series, From Newbie to Pro, the Ultimate Affiliate Journey. Now, if you've been with us since episode 1, I want to give you a virtual high five because you're on the path of becoming a pro at affiliate marketing. If you're new here, that's totally awesome. Glad you're here. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of the great tips that we're sharing. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Now, before we dive into today's topic, let's take a quick minute to recap what we covered in episode 5, because it's a key building block of where we're headed. Last time we talked all about automation. There is this idea out there that automation is only for big, fancy businesses, or that it takes away from the personal touch, but that's just not true. Now, if you missed episode 5, I really recommend going back and watching it. It's packed with tips on using automation to make your life easier. I'm going to drop the link for episode 5 in the comments below. Take a moment, if you missed it last week, to go back and check it out if you haven't already. Now, in today's episode, episode 6, we're diving into something that's super, super important for anyone in affiliate marketing. That's email marketing. Yep, you heard me right. We're talking about building that all-important email list. Now, before you think, isn't email kind of old-fashioned? Let me tell you, it's not. And in fact, email marketing is like having a direct line of communication with your audience. You're not at the mercy of some social media algorithm that's frustrating and that changes every other day. With email, you have that one-on-one connection, and that's powerful. Think of it like this. When someone gives you their email address, it's like they're inviting you into their inbox. It's like them saying, hey, I want to hear more from you. So building that email list is absolutely crucial. And today we're going to cover why it matters, how you can start, and maybe some tools that are best to make it easy. We'll also be sharing some cool strategies for beginners, so stick around. You're not going to want to miss this one on email marketing. Okay, let's start with why building an email list is so important. The first thing you need to know is that in the world of affiliate marketing, trust is everything. People buy from those they trust, and email helps you build that trust because it allows for consistent, direct communication. Unlike a social media post that might get lost in a crowded feed, an email is more personal. When you land in somebody's inbox, it's just you and them. That's a great opportunity to provide value, share some insights, and really connect with that person. Plus, your email list is something that you own. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube could change the rules any day, but your email list is yours. Nobody can take that away from you. And it's an asset that'll keep growing with your business. So how do you start an email list? Well, the first thing you need is something called a lead magnet. That's just a fancy term, a way of saying something valuable that you can give away for free. It could be a checklist or an ebook, anything that your audience would find useful. You offer that in exchange for their email. For example, you might say, hey, grab my free cheat sheet on sales, and boom, you've got somebody's email in exchange for that free cheat sheet. Sounds simple, right? Well, now that you've got some people on your list, what do you send to them? This is where a lot of folks get stuck. The key is to focus on value. You're not just there to sell, you're there to help, to educate, and to entertain. Share tips and stories, case studies, and sometimes share your offers, yes, but keep it balanced. Think of your email list as a relationship. You're building trust over time. And don't be afraid to let your personality shine through in your emails. Your subscribers want to hear from you. They want your insights, your stories, your wins, and even your losses. So keep it real with them. All right, that wraps up today's session, Beginner's Guide to Email Marketing. I hope you're feeling ready to dive into email marketing and start building your list. Remember, it's all about creating value and building trust. Now, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming up next week, episode 7, where we're going to be talking about how to find high-converting products to promote. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this one. And hey, let me know in the comments if you're already using email marketing, let me know if in the comments if you're already using email marketing or if you're just getting started. I'd love to hear where you're at in this process. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.